All right. This is January 20th, 2022 review of the crnhomes.com website and changes after completion or before. We want this site to be on crnrealestate.com and with the appropriate changes made, and we'll proceed. How you doing, Mike?
Good. I didn't know if you were talking to the gentleman walking by you.
Nope, that's Doug.
Oh, okay.
Doug, Mike, Doug.
Hey, Doug. Okay, fair
If
enough.
you ever need to fly somewhere really expensive to go on a really expensive hunting trip,
Oh,
Doug's brother is that guy.
gotcha. Okay.
$80,000 a month in oil royalties.
Wow. Very cool.
I told him Luann gets oil money,
That's right.
$8 a month.
That's right.
Good Lord. Okay, so I'm gonna share the screen, and we are gonna go to the homepage of crnhomes.com, which will become crnrealestate.com. First thing that I notice is the phone number is not correct. It's my phone number, but it's not typed in correct, so that needs to be changed.
So we need to have the company phone number on there, which is my cell.
Okay.
For Colorado, for the real estate.
Well, that's up to you.
Yep. So just go ahead and put my phone number on there. Is fine. Thank you.
Okay. I thought you didn't want to take a bunch of calls.
I don't have a choice. You have to have the office number on there for real estate commission rules.
Okay. So say that phone number.
720-838-4281.
Okay. And so starting at the top, we've got these social media hooks, which I'm building. And once we go to launch, we'll have these hooked up to social media. And I will run that until we assign somebody that does our social media.
Okay.
And Kim, I need you to work with me and get the YouTube channel, the Instagram, all that stuff hooked up to the appropriate accounts, which I will give you if you'll reach out to me. This button on the site always leads back to the home button.
Okay.
And so as we go down, these images underneath the scroll screen, which I think is awesome.
Little quick.
You want to slow down the
I think so.
transitions?
Yeah, because the one go right, not that one, but there's one that goes up on the golf course. It's like really, really fast.
Gotcha.
But no, dude, I absolutely love it because it shows Colorado.
Okay.
Right?
So slow the transitions.
Yeah, I think so.
And
I love it.
yeah, well, and the other thing that we want to make sure that we're recognizing is that the site is going to be viewed by over 70% of the people mobily.
Gotcha.
So we need to check and see how it reacts mobily. Kim, we need to get all references to Lori, broker owner, off of there and insert Mike Polstra and this Latin text.
Yeah. So Mark, when you stated that all the content was in, I thought you meant the content for each button and our services and what we do and who we are. That's what I thought you meant with content. So
well,
now what I know you mean is the content for the actual site, for the tabs and all that stuff's built.
Some of it's there, some of it's not. You know, I'll come up with some content and you'll come up with some content, and that should be ever changing. And you know, one of the things that at this point, and no disrespect at all, but the content creation as we go along needs to be mirrored with the search engine positioning tags underneath the website. keywords,
Yep, I get
descriptions,
that. Sure.
search engine. And what needs to happen is, as the Google robots crawl our website, they're looking for keywords and corresponding content that goes with the keywords. Relocation company, Colorado, home sales, Colorado, those kind of things. And over time, we get ranked by the robots based on that content.
I
You know,
see.
so whenever we're thinking about content, you're going to give me a paragraph, either one that you found somewhere that you like, or that you sat down and wrote yourself, and we can have the editors massage it or whatever. But then what we do with that paragraph of content is we build a list of keywords and descriptions that go underneath on this page.
I see.
And
Okay.
then, you know, large company, relocation, boutique real estate firm, whatever it
Right,
is.
so if I did send you an email a couple of days ago, should probably be the last email you got from me, Mark,
Okay.
that has a little tag that if you can find, take a look at it and let me know your thoughts, because I think it's a good company statement for where Lori has hers right there above that, where it just says unknown printer, whatever, for it to go in there.
Okay.
Okay. So I did
Kim,
send
I'm
you a
gonna-
simple paragraph.
Did you CC Kim on that?
Ooh, I don't think I did. I can't get into my and look, so I'm not sure.
Okay. Whenever we're doing content stuff, let's CC Kim for now.
Okay.
But you know, the website needs to be a living, kind of breathing kind of thing.
Gotcha.
And we're gonna make changes as we go.
Okay.
But as Kim finishes this video, then we'll come up with new things.
Gotcha.
You know, insert a new video. But the structure that you wanted on that website is here.
Right. Okay. Well, there's some things we'll add and take off that I did notice. Did you want to go through the tabs first, or you want to finish down the homepage?
Yeah, let's just put it all on tape. Just so we
Okay.
want to fix up this area, replace this text.
Yep.
And
With text, I'll send and have you take a look at first.
and we need to put Mike Polstra, broker owner, here.
Right.
And then I don't know what this is, for sale and for lease. That may be what she's talking about, the IDX. Kim called me about that. Need to
Yeah,
fix
so we
this
want to
phone number.
get rid of for lease.
Yeah, we don't want lease in here,
Nope.
so
So
take
all
that
that
out.
can go away. I think the for sale, probably like you stated, Mark, is going to be tagging into our MLS.
Gotcha.
And
Take
I
out
guess,
the leasing here.
yep.
The content button goes to our general mailbox, and this information needs to be replaced. These emails need to be changed to the proper ones. And Kim, if you can just send emails to Mike asking for this information, just copy it and say, here's what we're looking for.
Okay.
Also, Mike, whenever you're wanting to reference a certain page, it's very easy to just open an email, but then we go to the site and we say, hey, this is the page I'm working on. If we go up and we copy and paste this page,
Gotcha.
Control C, and then we just do Control V in the subject line.
Okay.
And then send it to Kim or whoever. We say, you know, here's the new changes for this site, and I want to use this picture and all this other stuff. So then the operator or the webmaster, Kim, can know, oh, he's working on this contact page. That's what he wants.
Okay.
And then we just send that off to her, and along with the video and the pages, it becomes easier for us to direct the help.
Okay.
And I'll talk about that.
Side note question. Do we have specific emails for general inquiries commercial, corporate relocation, like it stated there? Do we already have those email addresses set up?
No, but we can. And
Okay,
again,
gotcha.
it's on this video. Kim, we need to set up the email addresses, and you can do email correspondence with Mike about who needs to be who and
Okay.
where those aliases get sent,
Thank
to
you.
what mailboxes they get sent to, and you know, move on from
Thank
there.
you. Okay,
So that was the contact button. The videos, I would like to just build some generic videos here. And then our message that we're going to be creating about what we provide, you know, for the viewer of the website is going to be probably in an interview format. And that'll go on our YouTube channel, which you can star in or not. Again, we want leasing removed.
correct.
These, these boxes, I don't know if what was included on this Lori's old site that we used to model, but we need to figure out what's going on with these text boxes here, because we were gonna take over all of that content and it's not here.
That's what I was referring to, Mark.
Right.
Okay,
Yeah, and I don't know why. I'll ask Kim why we didn't have some of that other verbiage. Kim, you need to get a hold of me as you're going through this, and let's discuss at least putting that base text in, and then we'll check all these links on our next go round.
okay.
So
Okay.
let's go to the buying tab.
Okay.
Did you need to say something?
Nope, you're going exactly where I wanted to go next. So it's perfect.
So again, this is just the wrong content, and Kim needs to get with me. These are going to populate when we do the IDX thing. And one of the things that I can do, Mike, is I can, as you start building the team, I can have team meetings with, you know, people like Patty and Maytal and some of these other folks,
Yep.
Cartsy and some of those other people, and I can handcraft, you know, some of the content that's going in there with them.
Gotcha.
And the mechanics and the marketing arm of that can work through me a little bit.
Certainly.
And one of the things that I have found with the regard to the search engine positioning and the reach is sometimes the old way of putting things up are better. You know, once you start getting a lot of these robots and automated script running on your page, you have a hacker concern. And it doesn't search as well. Google starts ranking your site down, and you know, sometimes this automated script running on the pages is getting more and more superfluous because people have access to look at the properties themselves. And then we invite this malicious code in, and we don't rank as high as we want to, because the website is going to be the final place where somebody goes to.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
It certainly does.
And, you know, we're going to sell them on social media, and we're going to sell them on email drip campaigns. We're going to, you know, all this other stuff. So a lot of times what they get at the website is, who do I call? And then the phone starts ringing, you know, but
Right.
they want to see their potential real estate guy ranking high, because that leads to relevant authority in the
Well, it just shows
desired
credibility.
area.
Just shows credibility, right?
Well, not only credibility, but expertise. I'm searching for the right word and I'm not coming up with it, but we want to be the authority in whatever that is. And so a lot of times the pages of the website, Mike, are going to act like mini websites. It's going to be crnrealestate.com/commercial land. And then what we want to do is we want to be organically searching on that subject matter.
Okay.
And then they're going to pick the first organic choice underneath the ads, because the only thing that the ads tell us is that guy's more expensive because he's spending $7,000 a month in Google ads. So Kim, we need to work on this buying page. Get with me about some of this content. And this bottom footer, Mike, doesn't have to be changed on every page. Once we change one,
Okay.
it's all going to change on this bottom area. This
Okay,
white
gotcha.
space here are the individual pages, and we need to work on that content for the individual pages.
So that's for the listings, right? That were the featured property listings that we're going to put out there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, gotcha. Okay.
But on every category, there's going to be this top header that's the same with the menu and everything, and then this area that's going to be the page, and then the bottom header, which is going to be static.
Okay.
So we
gotcha.
go over to sell your home. And again, we need to work on this content. I'll get with Kim.
Okay, no worries.
And services are commercial.
So we need a residential tab there.
Kim, residential tab here. Let me push this off.
Oh, no problem.
I am in a meeting. Can I call you in 10 or 15 minutes? Question mark. So when I send this video to Kim, we need to remove all this cork and stuff and put in our stuff. And she needs to get with me personally and work on these content pages from the other site and then add new.
Yep. So temporary housing, we're going to take out.
Take out temporary housing.
I don't understand what the moving tab is without reading what she had in there.
I'll work on that, Mike.
Okay, no, okay, thank you.
Let's call this a once through, and I will work with Kim on some more content. And if I have to get somebody else involved, editor wise, to kind of bump this up, now's the time for that.
Gotcha.
But on this first run through, are we the look and the feel and the reaction and how fast it is,
Love
I
it.
think is very good.
I think it's great. It's clean and simple, right? We're boutique, and that's going to be the message, right? We're a boutique firm. You know, we're seasoned veteran professionals. You know, we're here to help you.
Absolutely. Meet the team. Kim should have an email about that and everyone's pictures, and I'll circle around with everyone else and get some pictures and bios established here, Kim. And then recently sold. I would like to have recently sold turned into testimonials, or have recently sold and then have a tab that says testimonial, because we have a lot of people that we've worked with that will endorse us. Right. And Kim, when you're building this, I want the testimonial feature to feature the person that's giving the testimonial. I want them to be crnrealestate.com/testimonial/G0. And I want that testimonial to be an emailable hyperlink to that testimonial. So when I'm talking to Greg Knott's brother and say, hey, you know, Greg had us work on his deal. Oh, really? Then I can copy and paste that just like I did that contacts thing, Mike, and I can put that testimonial up. It'll populate into the email with Greg's picture of Greg's house, whatever it is he wants to put on his testimonial. And that will also serve as a way for us to feature and promote some of our service business partners, meaning that April from Stewart Title will do a testimonial for Colorado Realty Network. And then if we tell people, hey, this is our title company, it'll be a testimonial for us, but it'll be, hey, meet Mindy. She's a great lender. Here's her information as well. So it's a testimonial for us, but we're promoting her business. So a lot of times when she uses our website to promote her business to new clients, then she's actually advertising for us because her contact information that she's sending out is actually resident on our site, and it's a testimonial for us. But it talks about how great she is too. So again, on this About tab, realizing and remembering we're recording for our web person to make fixes. Meet the team, get the bios, and I can be in charge of all that. Recently sold and testimonial, that's going to be a link tree back to the things that I need to do for the search engine positioning function as well, Kim. Blog. This is very easy, picture and, you know, newsletter. This is the online newsletter.
Okay.
And then
Did you get that one that I sent you, that Maytal dot, Ed?
I did.
Did you have a chance to review it?
So
that's what this section would be.
Yep.
Okay. There's like a monthly Colorado real estate update or whatever the case may be. You know, we do a charity golf tournament. We're a sponsor for ALS. That kind of thing goes there, or is that what you're referring to? So I guess I don't understand what a blog is, Mark, because I don't do it.
No worries. No worries.
Okay.
And you can know as much as you want to about it, or as little as you want to about it. But one of the ways that websites go dormant and they aren't effective business marketing tools is because there's no change. There's no updating, you know, and so educational selling is probably the most powerful selling that we can ever achieve. And Mike, I know you know, you are so good at what you do, because when I see you with clients, you're educating them. You're not trying to sell them anything. You're educating them. And that's the best kind of selling that people like. And what we need to do is just put out that feeling out into the sphere. And, you know, you put us next to some fast talker, Betty Crocker type of guy who just wants to get somebody shoved into a property or just sell their property at the lowest price just to get the thing closed or whatever. Sure. They're going to realize, you know, hey, I want to be with these guys. And that content creation makes the website come alive. And I'm very comfortable managing all of that as my executive function in what we're doing.
Okay, thank you.
So I think it's a good time to end the video. And Kim, I'd like you to really address this stuff as soon as possible. And Mike, I'm going to send you I'm going to call you after the meeting, and we'll do a wrap up. But okay. let me shut down the recording here.
Kim, thank you. Appreciate you.
She's the best.